Welcome back, guys, to another video. I am TJW, and I'm deciding to keep this one short and sweet. As I have exams coming up, and I need to do well in order to get something that's beneficial for the channel and for me generally. So, without further ado, I hope you enjoy. So, basically, the engine cover is this plastifoam almost material, and I'm just wiping it down with a thin layer of water just to remove all the dust off of it. Bearing in mind that our engine cover is plastifoam, so plastic foam composite, I am using a dash of dishwashing liquid just to kill all of the shit that's on there and just to give it a nice metallic-y finish. And if like a tiny bit of like sunlight dishwashing soap is bad for a plastifoam composite material, I'm a muppet completely. By the way, if anyone knows a good engine bay cleaner or good things for cleaning engine bays, please shoot it in the comments. It would really help out and be much appreciated. So we're done going over the engine cover with dishwashing liquid and water on a microfiber towel. For the main engine cover, this is the final stretch. Yes, I know this doesn't look a whole lot better as of now, but it's trying. And I'm gonna cold start this while my dad's away, and I might give you a few revs so you can hear the intake noise and the amount of air that this thing generates. So I hope you enjoy it. Oh yeah, and to the neighbours, I'm sorry. I mean, it's not particularly loud, but I am sorry. Okay, now sticking the engine cover on the Volvo again. I think it's about time. There it is. Look how much better that. I mean, it's not that much better, but I mean, ignoring all of that and everything underneath and further down, and the supercharger, the cover for that. Ignoring all of those, that's big difference. Thanks for the fucking hell. Words aren't with me today, and I've had a shit day anyways. Wasn't fun. But thanks so much for watching this short little video. And I'll see you around soon. Bye bye.